Hi everyone, real quick, I'm just going to go through the Poetry and Figurative Language playlist 3. I'm going to the topic that's titled that, and then I found that underneath classwork. The playlist looks like this. This week is pretty straightforward, honestly. Monday and Tuesday, we're going to do the Spring I Ready reading diagnostic, and you'll also be doing that during your 4th hour. This is very much like how we did our math spring diagnostic. I would also like to stress at this time that you need to really try on this. This determines what kind of classes you get for next year. So if you score low on this, then you will be put into a class that says that you need to get help. And that's, you guys know that this year there's interventions and that kind of thing. This also could determine whether or not you guys get bumped up to honors if you score really well. And I wouldn't worry too much about like which class you get placed in. I would just worry about doing your best because I don't want you to get put into a class that you don't belong in just because you didn't try or didn't want to try or what have you. So please try to do your best on this. Then the rest of the week after you're done with the diagnostic, you're going to be doing poetry tic-tac-toe. So I've linked the actual like instructions here, and I've also linked the slideshow that goes through everything with you guys here. So first off, when I say poetry tic-tac-toe, it's basically, see if I can do this. It's basically a tic-tac-toe board where you get to pick and choose which ones you do. So you see here, there's 4 poems that you guys can write. They're not super long poems. They might just take the thing that will probably take you the longest amount of time is figuring out exactly what you want to write about. And then there is one 10-point poem that's in the middle, and that's worth 10 points. And then if you're like, okay, what are those? Here are the instructions that you can go through to see like what a haiku is, limerick, diamante, concrete, all of it's there. And here's some rules kind of to go through it. So for you guys, I want this assignment to be worth 10 points. So what that looks like for you is you can either do 2 5-point assignments, so you can pick 2 of the ones on the outside, or you can do 1 blackout poem, which is worth 10 points. I don't care which one you choose, and I don't care if you decide to do the 2 5-point poems, which 2 you do on this board, but you do need to have the sum total be 10 points. So you get to pick and choose with that. When you guys get done with that, then you just turn it in on Google Classroom, and you'll see where it says tic-tac-toe. And I also put the instructions and the directions here, and then you will turn them in on here unless you are doing the blackout poem. The blackout poem essentially uses pages from books that you can actually black out and make a design with to leave words that are the poem, which you'll be able to understand more if you check out the directions on the slideshow. If you guys have any questions about what to do or anything at all, please let me know. One last thing before I let you go. I would like these poems, so either the 2 small ones or the 1 big one, to be done and due by Friday. So at the end of class on Friday is when these are due, so make sure that you get them done. Now, please let me know if you have any questions and just have fun with it. Good luck.